Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we'll learn daily use English sentences. So please watch this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's start the new lesson. रोज़मर्रा बोलचाल के अहम फ़िक्रात. ऐसा मत करो. Don't do that. Don't do that. क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ? May I come in? May I come in? उसे आने दो. Let him come. Let him come. कभी हार नहीं मानना. Never give up. Never give up. मेरा ख्याल है कि I think so. I think so. मैंने अंदाज़ा लगाया था. I guessed. I guessed. क्या ये तुम्हारा है? Is it yours? Is it yours? ये मेरा नहीं है. It's not mine. It's not mine. उसे किसी ने नहीं देखा. No one saw it. No one saw it. कोई नहीं जानता. No one knows. No one knows. क्या आप मुझे जानते हैं? Do you know me? Do you know me? ज़ाया ना करें. Don't waste. Don't waste. मुझे मजबूर मत करो. Don't force me. Don't force me. मुझे परवाह नहीं. I don't care. I don't care. ये नहीं हो सकता. It can't be. It can't be. मैं उसके बारे में सोचूंगा. I will think about it. I will think about it. मुझे लगता है कि नहीं. I suppose not. I suppose not. आगे आएं. Come forward. Come forward. मेरी मदद करो. Give me a hand. Give me a hand. जहाँ तक मैं जानता हूँ. As far as I know. As far as I know. राब्ते में रहना. Keep in touch. Keep in touch. तवज्जो फरमाएं. Pay attention. Pay attention. आप चलते रहें. You keep going. You keep going. क्या नज़ारा है? What a sight. What a sight. तुम सही हो. You are right. You are right. क्या यहाँ कोई है? Is anybody here? Is anybody here? मैंने नहीं देखा. I did not see. I did not see. कभी किसी को मत बताना. Never tell anyone. Never tell anyone. मैं शादीशुदा नहीं. I'm not married. I'm not married. क्या यहाँ कोई है? Is anybody here? Is anybody here? कौन सा? Which one? Which one? मुझे ज़रूरत नहीं है. I don't need. I don't need. मेरे साथ आओ. Come with me. Come with me. एक सेकंड रुको ज़रा. Wait a second. Wait a second. मेरी तरफ से. On my part. On my part. क्या तुम बीमार हो? Are you sick? Are you sick? मेरा ख्याल है तुम्हें डॉक्टर के पास जाना चाहिए. I think you should go to the doctor. I think you should go to the doctor. ज़रा रुको. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. बाहर बारिश हो रही है. It's raining outside. It's raining outside. मूसलाधार बारिश हो रही है. It's raining cats and dogs. It's raining cats and dogs. आपको 1 घंटा इंतज़ार करना पड़ेगा. You have to wait an hour. You have to wait an hour. मैं ये नहीं कर सकता. I can't do it. I can't do it. मेरे पास वक्त नहीं है. I don't have time. I don't have time. आप बिल्कुल बदल चुके हैं. You have completely changed. You have completely changed. तुम मुझसे नाराज़ क्यों हो? Why are you angry with me? Why are you angry with me? जल्दी करो. Hurry up. Hurry up. उसे गुजरने दो. Let it pass. Let it pass. ये कहाँ था? Where was it? Where was it? मैंने उसे ढूंढ लिया. I found it. I found it. क्या तुम परेशान हो? Are you worried? Are you worried? तुम्हें क्या हुआ? What happened to you? What happened to you? क्या आप वाकई ठीक हैं? Are you really well? Are you really well? मैं तुमसे वादा करता हूँ. I promise you. I promise you. अपना मुंह बंद करो. Shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. अगर हम कहें कि खिड़की बंद करो तो हम सेंटेंस बोलेंगे Shut the window. Shut the window. खिड़की बंद करो. मैं जा रहा था. I was leaving. I was leaving. ये मेरी गलती नहीं थी. It was not my fault. It was not my fault. मैं आपके बगैर अंधा हूँ. I am blind without you. I am blind without you. Blind का मतलब होता है अंधा. मेरे लिए यही काफ़ी है. That's enough for me. That's enough for me. आप खामोश रहो. Be quiet now. Be quiet now. यहाँ से निकल जाओ. Get out of here. Get out of here. गुस्सा मत करो. Don't be angry. Don't be angry. दोबारा सोचो. Think again. Think again. पुरसुकून हो जाओ. Calm down. Calm down. जाओ और जाकर आराम करो. Go and take rest. Go and take rest. मुझ पर शक न करो. Don't doubt me. Don't doubt me. Doubt में भी साइलेंट हो जाएगा तो हम बोलेंगे doubt. मतलब है शक करना. इसके साथ ही हमारी आज की वीडियो ख़त्म हुई. See you next video. अल्लाह हाफिज़.